These are the basic Linux commands that every beginner must know. So the first thing, let's head over to the Linux terminal. The keyboard shortcuts for accessing the terminal is Ctrl, Alt, and T. And there you have your terminal. So let's start with the first command, pwd. That means print working directory. Tells you which directory you are in right now. When you look at it in the file, see, yes, we are. So that's it. So we know we are in home directory. Now let's move to the second command, ls. ls gives you the list of files and folders. As you can see, we have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. This in the GUI version, this is it, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. That's basically it, as simple as that. Before we move to the next command, there are some variations in how you can use the list command. So you can say ls-l, it displays additional information about your files. It's called long listing format. Then we have ls-a, a means all, it lists everything. You can see these ones in dot are the ones that are hidden. Then we have the last option, ls-la, it combines both options. So it gives you everything, all the information. So let's move to another command, cd. We use cd to change working directory, but before we go to cd, let me give you another command. There's another command called clear. Already the terminal is cluttered, so clear deletes everything in the terminal and make it super clean. So let's move to the next command, cd. And to change directory, you type cd. So we have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. Let's change the directory to documents. So you say cd documents. And you're in documents directory. You can check the files that are in there. So that's it for that command. Let's move to the next command, mkdir. mkdir means make directory. Let's create a directory called, there's a dog barking outside, so let's create a directory called dog barking. Yes, and we already have it. We used the previous command that we had, ls will show you, so we have dog barking over here. And that's it for that command. To create an empty file, use a command called touch. Let's say loud barking dog.txt. That file doesn't have anything inside. Let's use ls again to see.